Hi guys, welcome back to the Garden Tractor Geek YouTube channel. Today we're going to be replacing these tail lights. I don't believe this machine actually had tail lights. So I'm turning it to reflectors, which is what it originally came with. So let me get these unscrewed. I already got the first screw out of this one. Like that. No, I'm just going to cut these wires. I'll deal with them. Oh, okay, they're not even connected. My bad. So, yeah, not even connected to anything. Alright, so just want to put this screw with this nut together, and we'll go to the next side. Just don't want to lose anything. It is interesting because there is holes for lights. I don't know, I'm not really worried about that. If you saw my previous video, I have a lot going on already. Ooh, that gas stinks. My gas cap's bad, so it's got quite the smell when you get next to it. Let's try this one. I'm not left-handed, that is for sure. So I'm not even spinning. There we go. Now grip one. Put the nut. Alright. This one, nope, disconnected as well. Or it was a very poor connection. We'll find that out at a later time. So let's open up these reflectors. Take those screws out there in a second. These are adhesive, so that's good. Let's just see, are the screws even going to line up? No. Which is alright, like I said, they're adhesive. I'm not that concerned. Let's make sure we center it right. I'm going to double check that once I'm done. Shouldn't need the screws off of that. Now let me just double check these. I mean, you can't really be perfect as far as doing this. You just wanted to get it to be as good as you can possibly get it to be. Shouldn't come off. How's this one look? I think this one's alright. Like I said, it's really hard to tell. Especially with my lack of room, which doesn't help. I think that's pretty good right there. Looks okay. I don't think that's going to come off. Alright, let's take a look-see. See how they turned out. I think they look pretty darn good. Much better than this mess. Like I said, I had the option. You know what? I could probably take that gasket off the other side. I don't think that said. Okay. I wonder if... Okay. Boy, I didn't even realize that had a flathead. There, it's coming off. I don't really need that gasket on there. Just one more thing to fall off since it's not going to be bolted on here. I should have cleaned the surface. I tend to do this when I make these instructional, not really instructional, Actually, yeah, no, not instructional. I'm just gonna add a little glue to these. Actually, not really that big of a deal. So yeah, let's add a little glue just to help them stick. Really wish I could move you guys from the mess now that I had. Okay, that's good enough. It's gonna have to use some pliers for this. There we go. Just a little glue to help with the adhesion process. Just a couple dabs, that's all you need. Got a dry spot here. Yeah, that should have cleared it. Hope I'm getting glue on the seat. Let's try this again. Hopefully with a little bit better luck this time around. There we go. It's still kind of giving me issues, but I think this glue will seal, and I think we'll be alright. Let's do this side. Let's do a couple in the middle on this one. Alrighty. Oh, okay, let's not get glue on my hands. That's not how this is supposed to work. Alright. Center it. Beautiful. Let that glue dry. And what I'm concerned is these corners. I'm not really too concerned about the metal. Just enough to make it work. By no means is this a perfect job, but the glue is industrial strength glue, so shouldn't have to worry about these coming off. But yeah, they don't look too bad actually. They look way better than this, like I said. I mean, so not bad for a couple dollars. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a good day.